Good day and welcome. Today I will be showing you my extreme moisture routine for extremely dry locks. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. My name is Cynthia. For those of you who are subscribed and returning, thank you for tuning in. I'm glad that you can join me again. So today I will be talking about my extreme moisture routine for severely dry locks. In between washes, I noticed that my hair does get dry and stiff, and I really don't like that feeling. I like my hair to move like this and feel light and just flow. I love the way that feels. So if you're curious to see what I do to my hair when it's extremely dry to make it nice and flowy like this, then stay tuned. As you can see, things are a little crusty, dusty, and dry, but that's okay because we are about to correct this. I'm gonna hop in the shower and give my hair some TLC and revive it. Here I am just drenching my hair in the shower. I'm making sure that the water is soaked in all of my strands. And as you'll see in a little bit, you'll see me squeezing the water into my hair to provide that moisture and extreme hydration that I need. You guys, I just finished out of the shower. I haven't put any product in my hair yet. I like to let it air dry first. I don't like putting my oil or my rose water directly on my hair right after the shower. I like to let it air dry first, so that's what I'm doing. This is my hair. It is almost time for a retwist, but in between my retwists, I like to just do this moisture routine because I want to rinse my hair and add water and moisture, but not necessarily shampoo it yet. I'll also turn around so that you can see in a minute, but I'll let my hair air dry for about 30 more minutes, and then I will go ahead and spray a little rose water and put my coconut oil on my hair, and I will come back to you guys. Alright guys, I am back. My hair is drier than it was. It's still damp, but not soaking wet. It's air dried a little bit. So this is what I'm working with. It feels so nice to feel my hair move. It's not stiff. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my rose water that's in this little bottle right here. It is rose water with a couple drops of rosemary essential oil. If you haven't checked out my video on the products I use to maintain my locks, go ahead and check that out. And I'm also going to use my coconut oil. This is organic, virgin, cold pressed, and unrefined coconut oil. I got this out of my local grocery store. So those are the products I'm going to be using today. I will be using this scrunchie right here to section my hair because my hair is so thick and I want to make sure that I'm putting product inside of my hair as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing next, and then I'll throw on some earrings and I'll show you the final look, so stay tuned. I begin by sectioning off my hair. I feel that having small sections are easier to work with than all of my hair at one time. So you see me doing that, and I'm also using a clip to help get some of that hair out of the way. Next, I'm going in with my rose water mix. I'm making sure that I spritz that throughout the section to dampen my hair. And I make sure that I work that through. I then go in with my coconut oil. It's the best ever. I love coconut oil. And I will make sure that I warm that up in my hands because, as you can see, coconut oil is solid at room temperature. So you have to warm it up and melt it down. And that's what I'm doing. It's melted down. And I work that through my hair after the rose water. I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I keep hearing that a lot of people are having problems with using coconut oil in their hair. I personally don't have a problem with it. There are times when I have to make sure I work it in a little bit better to avoid chunks of it in my hair like you can see there. But overall, I don't have any issues with coconut oil. I finished this first section over here. It's looking and feeling good. So I'm going to do the same exact thing to this side of my head. I'm going to speed this part up for you guys. You'll see me do a quick length check in a little bit, but just sit back, relax, and watch me moisturize my hair. All right, you guys, I am back. I decided to throw some earrings on. So here is my hair. Very simple. I've already put in all the product. This is how I'm going to be wearing my hair until I retwist it again in about another week or so. I'm just staying home for today. I just put on the earrings just to try to be cute. But if I was going out, I would take this side over here just because, you know, the roots are really fluffy. I would take the side of my hair and just pin it back like this and wear my hair this way if I was going out, but I'm not going anywhere today. So I'm just going to leave my hair alone and let it finish air drying because it's still a little damp. Not enough to where, you know, if I shake my hair, someone's going to get wet, but it's a little damp. So I'm going to let it finish drying. And this is how I'll wear my hair for the next week or so. And that's it. Very, very simple. This routine I'll probably do once a month. I'll go a couple weeks after my shampoo and I'll notice that my hair is just starting to get really stiff and really dry. So that's when I'll just go ahead and do this routine, dunk my head in the shower and just get my locks wet. I'm the type of person, I'm not afraid to get my hair wet. I've always been that way. And the great thing about locks is that you can wet your hair and go right to work or go right into a meeting. But with locks, I can just do a true wash and go. I would be comfortable going into the store after washing my hair. With loose natural hair, I wasn't as comfortable to do that. So this is what it looks like now. And of course, I'll turn around so that you can see the back of my hair. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And comment down below how you keep your locks moisturized. What products do you use? What's part of your regimen? I'm curious to know what other locked kings and queens are doing. So make sure you comment below and I will see you in the next video.